Hi, this is Meir from Bear Traders. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I would like to share my trading from today in this recap. So coming into the day, Pinterest reported earnings and it gapped up extremely strong off grid earnings, and it was getting close to the all-time high where it had a very strong IPO. So I was obviously long buys based on that, but I didn't just want to. I wanted to see it play out in the price action. So this is how it started. So coming in here, it made a small pop off the open, and then it pulled back. And it was really like, if you look at the volume was really low in the first candle. So I really didn't have much indication. So I was really watching at the level 2 and looking to see if who's moving the bids. Like, are the buyers coming to the sellers or the sellers coming to the buyers? Who's moving up are there buyers coming down or are the sellers going up? And I saw some bullish action where the bids were moving up. They were coming closer. The spread was tightening and they were coming closer to the asks. So at that point I decided, and the fact that it was gapping 15%, so at that point I decided I want to be long this stock. So I took a long position, and then bang, it really just took off. So I covered some more at the whole dollar of 33, and then when it broke through the whole dollar 33.20, I took more. Here I took, then took more as it started to become weak, and I was really holding and to see. I really thought it was gonna break even higher. And Andrew was even talking about taking it long, so I held on for just like a little bit shares, just in case it's really gonna crack up. But it didn't, so I ended up getting out close to my break even over here. So this was really a wonderful trade. I was risking off like low of day 32. I was risking like 15 cents about, and I ended up getting about close to 50 cents or 40 cents. So it was really like a 3-hour trade or 4-hour trade. So it really was a wonderful trade. And then after I finished this trade, I looked over to NTAP. We got the daily. This was really beaten down stock. It closed at $57 yesterday, and it was gapping down like also 15%, 20%. So lately, I really like to take these trades where I have a stock that's gapping down very strong, and I wait to get my entry and short it. Everyone's looking to short it, so that's weakness. And we also have the people that are long that panic, that are trying to sell. So I was really looking to short this. So I went in. Here, looking at the 1-minute chart. So here it sold off, and then I saw a consolidation. So as soon as I saw that it could not go above VWAP, I was like, I want to be short. So I went at 47.25, kept my stop here above VWAP, risking 25 cents. And it really moved down pretty quickly. At my first, right away, 46.75. So this was like a $0.50 right away. And then it kept on going down lower towards here. I covered more as it was going lower. I was really covering aggressively. As I had a very good trade on Pinterest already. This was like just an add-on. So really I made a mistake. I shouldn't have covered so quickly. I was covering too quickly. I should have let it go. This was like the pre-market low at the time. So maybe I should have been more patient and let it roll down, see if I could get some more out of it. But as I said, I was over my goal already, and I was getting nervous. I wanted to finish my day already, and it was moving pretty violently. So I parted very quickly, and then here I got out. As it was breaking 47, I got out my last piece here. Turns out it really came down, so it really was. It could have been even a better trade. It was a pretty good trade. It was a 2-hour trade, but I could have gotten even more. So that was my day. Then I look over at my P&L and I realized that I was actually in. So the Pinterest trade was real, and the NTAP trade was in sim. So I was really turned off. Where I was like, oh, I thought I had this good trade, and then it's in sim. So I was gonna take more trades. I didn't feel good about it, so I decided I'm not gonna take. So I just took one more small trade. That was on CC, really a small trade. It wasn't really moving, so I took a little bit. This is really just a break-even trade. I wasn't feeling well psychologically after I found out that was just in sim. I was really upset, so I decided, let's just call it a day. and I made a pretty good profit on the Pinterest trade as well. So my final P&L was above goal, more than goal, almost $40. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, so that was my day. It was a pretty good day. Got done early, got done quickly. The pity was it wasn't sim, but that's okay. Mistakes happen. I just changed it. What happened is the Nizzy start. My Pinterest was a Nizzy, so that was set for my real account, and the other one was for the Nasdaq was traded was from my sim account. But hopefully that won't happen again. And I hope everyone, thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thank you.